Hi everyone. If you've been looking to delete an Instagram post, I have a very quick tutorial here on how you can do that real quick. Stick with me. So if you're looking to delete your Instagram post, the first thing you want to do is select the post that you want to delete. In this instance, we are going to delete this post here. So I'm going to select that, and what you want to do is look for the three dots at the top of the right here. Now select those three dots and scroll all the way till you see delete. And once you see delete, all you have to do is tap delete, and it'll ask you if you want to delete it or move it to your drafts. And if you want to delete it, just simply click delete and you'll be good to go. And that's how you can delete a post on Instagram. If this was helpful, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips.